There are generally 5 steps in the management of a chemical spill. The first step is to isolate the spilled chemical by keeping any nearby people away and out of danger. The second step is to contain the spill by stopping it from entering any nearby drains or waterways. The third step is to decontaminate the spill, and to do this you may have to read the label or the safety data sheet to find out how to neutralise the spilled chemical. The fourth step is to dispose of the spilled product. You can do this by reading the label or the safety data sheet, or you may have to contact a waste disposal company. And the fifth step is to record the spill in your own record keeping system for minor spills, or in the case of a major spill, notify the appropriate authorities. This information is important because it may need to be used in the case of medical emergencies or insurance claims. In all cases, you can only control a spill properly if you have a spill kit that is appropriate for the chemicals you store. A spill incident report should be filled out after you have cleaned up a chemical spill. The information recorded in the report not only includes the events that caused the spill, but will also contain information that you may need to prevent this type of accident happening in the future. In this sample spill report, we will show you how to insert the information about the details of the spill into this record. In section A, you need to insert your name. In section B, you need to insert the details of the spill, which include the date and time of the spill, where it happened, and what were the circumstances that caused the spill and the duration of the spill. In section C, you will need to include the details of the containment and cleanup efforts, which will be the steps you take to clean up the spill, or you could simply put followed procedure outlined in the section 6 of the SDS for the chemical you are using. In part 2, we will complete this spill record. In section D, you need to insert the information on the material spilled and the quantity of the chemical spilled. In section E, you need to insert the spill kit supplies that need to be restocked because they were used during the spill. In section G, you need to insert the preventative action that you are recommending so that this type of accident should not happen again in the future. You also need to sign off on it as the person responsible for it and the completion date. In section H, you need to insert your assessment of the cleanup effort, which can simply say successfully completed as per SDS instructions. And in section I, you need to put your name, signature, and the date you completed this report. How to complete the spill incident report provided. You can either download the report provided and fill it out as the PDF, which you can then upload with your other returnable documents. Or you can download and print out the form and complete it manually and return by mail with your other returnable documents. Please note, you only need to fill in the answers that are coloured orange in the sample record sheet. And please remember, where you're instructed to insert your own name, please actually use your own name.